Alright, here's a quick video on how to put your database together for your sphere. Before you start, you need to have 200 contacts in your sphere. People that know you and like you and would likely recognize your name if you call them at the least. So anyway, I wanted to go over some things that might save you some headache in the future. First thing is, this is a template, and it doesn't necessarily have to be what you guys use if you've already got an Excel file put together, but there's some things in here that are important. For example, your first name, or the client's first name, or your prospect or contact, their first name's got to go in a separate column than their last name. Also, you'll notice that Mike Smith is married to Jennifer Smith, and we've got them as two separate contacts. We don't have Mike and Jennifer. If you happen to have it as Mike and Jennifer, it's just going to do be some extra work for us in the past, because we can link the contacts in our database, but they're two separate contacts. So we've got Mike Smith, email personal or email work, either one. You can put those in. If you have both, great. You can have two columns or one column. Phone number, mobile phone, work phone. Don't worry about type or status or intention right now. We'll go ahead and put all of these type sphere, but if we get the file, we'll do that for you. And then let's see, source category, we're going to go ahead and put sphere in there for you as well. Source, don't worry about that. As we're going through here, let's see. You can put their birth dates in. That'd be great if you have it. Marital status, anniversary, things like that. If you don't worry about it. Same thing, Facebook, Twitter, any social media handles, great. When you do have their home address or their mailing address, important that you know you do want to have those addresses separate, meaning the street address goes in one column, 123 East ABC Street. Spokane would go under the city, and the state would be separate, and then also you'll need that zip code. Don't worry about country or county. If you've got them, great, and you're more than welcome to put those columns in or not. Description. So we've got add to description. That's if we're importing from different databases, but what that's for is if you've got any notes that you want to have in your database. For example, Mike's daughter goes to college next year in 2018, or Mike's getting married in June 2018, those kind of things, or hey, I called and left a voicemail. If you're making those notes right now, it's good to have in here because it's just going to upload it to your database. Don't worry about these tags. We'll go ahead and put those in after we get them in your database, but that's it. So you're more than welcome to add descriptions in there if you have it, and if you don't, then don't worry about it. If you have any more questions, let me know, but we've also got this file uploaded right below, so you click on that and use that as a template. But as I mentioned, if you already have it saved, don't worry about it, just give us the one you saved.